Hey guys, what's up? Greg here. So I wanted to make a quick video about an Instagram growth hack that I've been implementing and that I've been seeing results with for myself. So I kind of started really taking Instagram seriously about a month ago, and I started posting as much as 10 videos per day, 10 reels per day for like a week. And I grew by like 2 followers, which is really wild to think about. So it's not just the quantity of content that's going to help you grow, right? As I realized for myself. So because I'm under 1,000 followers for this account, okay? So I was stuck at like 350. But once I started implementing what I'm about to show you, now I just grew by 100 followers in like a couple of days. It's pretty cool. So the strategy is kind of like following other accounts, but following strategically. You can think of it as follow for follow, as some people call it, but let me show you how I do this. So basically, this is the strategy. If you're looking at my Instagram right now, you can see I have 91 followers. Literally a couple of days ago, I was at 12 followers. And even posting 10 a day for a week, I got like 1 follower. So this is the simple strategy that you can do. So for example, if you go to the search bar at the bottom, and hit the search, and let's say you type in your niche. So you can already see I have a bunch of people that I've searched for, but let's say I didn't, and I would type in, let's say, affiliate marketing or make money online. Let's say affiliate marketing for beginners, okay? And I click that. So I can either look at the top videos performing, or I can go where it says for you, or I can go to accounts, or I can go to reels. Reels would probably be the same as for you, but maybe sometimes different. So for example, I always see this guy, Michael, okay? This guy right here, how to start affiliate marketing as a beginner.
Here's how you're going to get started as a complete beginner with digital marketing. I'm going to break this down for you in 4 simple steps.
Michael at the bottom left. So now I'm on his Instagram, and he has a massive following. And then where it says followers, 650K, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to see his followers. So basically what I just did was I found a thought leader or a person or a brand or a company, and I clicked on their profile, and now I'm going on their followers because their followers are going to be people that are interested in the thing that they're talking about, right? So in this case, affiliate marketing. So you could see all these people that are following him. Now, Instagram gives only 50 at a time. Okay, so see how it says, and 650K others. So 50 at a time. It doesn't display all of them. But every few days, I notice it refreshes. It's either new people follow him or it shows me other people. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all 50, and I'm going to pretty much follow most people. Usually I do it just follow everybody, except for people that have no profile picture. I don't follow those. Or like some kind of brands like skincare or like Gertie the dog. I'm not going to follow that. So I'm just going to go ahead and start following. So from here. And then Franz Cloud, no. Lily, yes. So the best ones I like to follow is if it actually has a first and last name at the bottom, like let's say Philip Johansson. But see, it gives me a little warning. So that's a brand new account. So it could be like a spam account. So sometimes I follow, sometimes I don't. Hustle Mind. This could be like an individual, or this could be a brand. So it's up to you if you want to find like these kind of faceless accounts. Kim Warren, cool. Sandra Roden, cool. Whatever. Tile, no. Fwench, Dabu, Jason. Usually, like sometimes I'm more picky, sometimes I'm not. I don't really go and check their profile. So right now what I'm doing is, sometimes I miss the button, so that's why. So I'm just doing this, and I'm just going down. So bear with me. I'm just going to go and follow a bunch of people. I'm going to skip the ones with no picture because they probably have like 1 follower or nothing. Or sometimes it's like they have no, it's empty. So I'm just going to go ahead and go down this list. It's pretty quick. After this, I could go and find another person. Or let's say if somebody caught my eye from here, like Mr. Hustle Mind. So that's probably some kind of market. Okay, he has 197 followers. So now I can go into his list and now follow his people, okay? So, but you do still want to keep it in your niche. Like, for example, if this was somebody about drop shipping, yeah, it's still business related, but I'm not really a drop shipper. And if this was a mountain climber or a fitness bro or girl, I probably wouldn't because they're not really in my niche, okay? You still want to keep it to your niche, which for me is making money online. So I'm just gonna keep on. Now, be careful. Usually I would probably do like, so I just did 1 round with Michael, and then I would do 1 more round here, and then I would stop. And the reason is because if you follow too many people, what happens is Instagram will kind of like throttle you. So they will send you a warning that, hey, you follow too many people, kind of like that. So I would say just do 1 round full like this, and then maybe another one, and then take a break for a few hours, okay? Otherwise, you'll get kind of warning. And then what you could also do is I go to my follow. See, I'm following 913. So for example, I could go to the people that I'm following, and I have a list of the people that I followed, which is the earliest, okay? So for example, like Ava, Michael, Glenn, Zach. So for example, I could go Jonathan. I could go to any of their, or Alex Ford. Let's say I could click on their stuff, and I could go to their followers and just because this refreshes every day or every other day and just following. So let's see, keep going. Okay. Nope, no picture, no follow. Let's keep going. Let's see, sometimes. Let's keep going. Okay, so I didn't get that little pop-up saying I took too many actions, but if I did, then I'd have to wait a few hours. But anyways, I'm going to wait a few hours. So now when I go back to my profile and I refresh this 91, sometimes right away there's new followers, because what happens is when they go to their feed and they see like this, see how this is followed back, Lena Young followed me, they're going to see this about you, that you followed them, and they have a quick follow back. So some people will just follow you back just based on this, just because they have this. And even if they're not following you, but you're following them, if they're
Never post
your
like 3 days ago.
reels, they might see your reel actually
Guy's a genius when it comes
in here as well because you are following them. So by following others, they're exposed to your content as well. And it's an easy one-click follow back for them. Now, last thing I'm going to say to you is, see, I have 91 followers and then 952 following. So some people care about this, some people don't. Some people want, like more followers than they are following. So at some point, probably right now, I don't really care. I want to get to 1,000 as quickly as possible. But once I get to 1,000, I'm probably going to go to my following that I'm following. And I'm just going to probably unfollow a bunch of people that en masse, probably that I don't need. Unfortunately, there's no way to see if they followed me back. Otherwise, I could keep those that follow me back. But there were other third-party apps, but not anymore as much. So right now, my ratio of followers to following is a little bit skewed. But I don't think Instagram doesn't really care that much about it, and people don't care that much about it. But yeah, so that's how I would do it if you have under 1,000 followers. And for example, my main, so this is my secondary Instagram account, my main, Greg Vasil, I was at 360, literally 360, 3 days ago. But because I've been following people like this every day, like I showed you, I grew by 100 followers in a couple of days. So again, my goal is to, once I get to 1,000, maybe 5,000, then I'm going to clean up all the ones that I'm following here. And then, yeah, and then your followers will grow just from content. But in the beginning, if you're under 500, under 1,000, you're not going to grow just from your content. You have to start following people and kind of engaging. Does that make sense? And of course, make sure your profile is optimized. See how I have I'm an entrepreneur, 6 figures in affiliate earnings, kind of what you've done, what you do for others, and then a call to action, which is join the free community. And you see Beacons Greg Vasil. So if they click on it, they can go to my Wi-Fi Heroes from here. This is kind of like an intermediary lander. Okay. Or they can go to other links that I'm promoting as well, like OfferLab and AI Cash Machine. So if you haven't set up your Instagram yet, go ahead and do it. And literally everybody starts from zero. So don't worry. And I'm telling you, less than a week ago, I was at 300 something. And then this one, Wi-Fi Hero, I was at 12 followers a couple of days ago. So start following people in your niche. And yeah, that's how I think that's a good way to grow your Instagram. And if you need to know what to post, I can make another video about this strategy. But literally, so I shot a bunch of intros, and then I shot a bunch of intros like this outside. I used these scripts for the captions and stuff. So I combined a bunch of them. So I ended up with 2,000 pieces of content, and now I'm just posting. And you see some of them get a couple hundred, and some really don't. This one, because this has a funny entry.
And I got more views than 26K views.
That's literally just
you want to start making money online?
Speaking after, so yeah, doesn't always work. But that's it. That's my strategy. Okay. All right. Thanks. Bye.